What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be installing the Mayflower adapter. So there's 4 pieces in this kit. Let's get them out of the box and get them set up. These adapters will allow for an additional 2 inches to be accommodated on this tire changer. So these go up to 18 inches on an outside mount. So now I can do 20 inches on the outside mount. So I'll show you what the product looks like. You got to make a few minor adjustments and then you're good to set them in place. So here is what the product looks like. So it does get installed this way. Sorry, it gets installed this way. So we've got to flip these around so we can get that extra distance. As you can see here on this one, the extra distance. So what we're going to do is we're going to take off these protectors and get them set up. So all we're doing is we're taking out those nuts from underneath here. And all we're gonna do is take this out and flip it around. Once we flip it around, now you get the proper direction. We do that to the other 3 and we're good to go. All right, so now that we've got everything swapped over, looking good, now all we have to do is put this right down here, in here like so, and that's it. Put it in place, and then screw this in here, and everything is good to go. All right, so there you have it. So you got 2 of those in place. You can see the original clamp is about here, and this one is set back a lot further, so it should allow you to clamp those bigger wheels. So I'm just going to go ahead and set the rest of these up, and then we'll be done. So there we have it. You have all 4 adapters in place, locked and loaded. The website doesn't have a whole lot of information on it, so hopefully this was helpful so you can understand the purpose of it. It's labeled as a dual purpose. So 1, it's an adapter for your motorcycle rims, but 2, it also helps you to get that extra space. So as I mentioned here, you can see where the original clamp ends here, and this one, look at the difference there. So you are getting extra capacity here. By bumping up another 2 inches, you can service now 20-inch wheels, 20-inch rims on an outside clamp, because nobody wants to use the inside clamp. The inside clamp is very, it'll destroy your wheels. So I hope this video was helpful. That's the end of this. We got everything installed. I'll leave a link as to the product from Mayflower. So if anybody's looking to get this adapter kit, it is pretty handy. It has multiple purposes. Hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more to come on this machine. We are waiting for some additional parts to upgrade this machine, make it a lot smoother, we'll say. Until then, I'll catch you guys on the next one.